morning. Gotta put down my roots of Ohio here. It's alright, I got my Ohio State license plate. I'm defending the country.
Defending our country. I love that.
Hey. It's the fun.
Yeah, that's a path. That's not.
It's a water runoff.
That is. Took me a second to realize it, but it is indeed.
I think these are hazelnuts. Oversized acorns, hazelnuts.
Oh, maybe. A lot of fat acorns around here. I saw the tiniest acorn I've ever seen yesterday at the Union Hall. It was like the size of a pinhead.
Just a baby.
It had the cap and the bud and everything.
Oh.
It was so cute.
Crack.
Before my position.
It's a train bridge. I'm choking.
What?
Choking.
You joking? Choking? Oh no.
Allergies.
What is that time of the
I
year?
need me some Swedes. Swedes in a wrapper. That's going down. Hi ladies, good morning.
Hi. Good morning. Good morning.
sure, for sure.
Twig hit me on the side. It like walked right into that tree and it went donk.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Bushes trees.
Good morning.
Just about. People ride these like a slide in the summertime.
Mm-hmm.
Where there's a lot of water, just. Yeah, I guess these falls aren't too bad.
Yeah.
I was wrong. I was wrong.
Different.
It's definitely different, but it's. I like this.
Totally cool. Totally cool. We don't go to non-cool places.
We only go to cool places.
That's pretty cool emotion. Yeah, this is totally familiar.
Yeah.
So I know I've been here before.
This is probably where you and the Boy Scouts caused
Yeah, must have. Must come down this way. I don't even know if it would have been a trailhead back then.
Maybe not. Probably was all private land owned by Camp Buckeye, right?
Might have been.
So good on them for preserving it. This is a freaking national treasure. Nick Cage.
So there was a weird thing that happened in New York. This reminds me of the circular thing here. So in New York, on one of our hikes, Buttermilk Falls, I think it was. I haven't posted that video either. The water across the rocks would divot out, just huge holes.
Oh, I've seen that.
Underneath the water, above the water,
Yeah.
depending on where it goes. But we've seen it in a couple different places in New York. I think we saw it up towards what was that called? The chasm. Up towards Lake Placid. We saw it again. I'm rolling.
Split.
Got foot on down the road.
I've seen those pushed in the rocks though. It's like the water starts swirling in place. And
Mm-hmm. It washes out certain minerals.
Yeah.
They're different in the rock.
Yeah.
I got the information on it too. I haven't posted that one either. That's on the other computer. I've got a number of waterfall videos, hiking videos, a bunch of ski videos still to post from there. Probably another 40 videos worth.
Got content for years.
Need more time.
Yeah. I know how that goes. There's two paths it looks like. Keep going straight up.
Is this the rest stop?
If you keep going straight up here, it'll lead you back to the parking lot.
Oh, okay. We want to go to your car.
I got the pickup. You guys can ride in the back here.
You been here before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Was there water, little more water last time?
It's pretty high right now for this time of year, I'd say.
Is it really?
Yeah. There's It's a little bit harder to get to, but there are other falls.
In this area?
Yeah,
Harder to get to?
it's very rocky. Yeah.
It's
During the summer, though, if it starts raining a lot, we get quite a bit of water through here, and then it's really cool.
I bet.